Hi, everybody. Welcome to our first educational or our first learning module, Essay Basics, where you'll learn about thesis statement, paragraph unity, like pi, and quote sandwich. This unit has a lot of really useful materials, some short videos, a few really super low stakes quizzes and discussions, and a lot of useful handouts and some even a few useful PowerPoint presentations. Some of them I've created, some of them I've borrowed from elsewhere, but you can always refer to these as you continue through the summer session, and you can refer to all of these useful handouts later on in another class. So the very first thing we're going to look at is thesis statement, and I have a section on thesis statement, what a thesis statement is, what it is not, and also level 1, level 2, and level 3 thesis statement, and how to write a really good thesis statement. After thesis statement, you'll have some exercises where you can practice identifying good or bad thesis statements, and maybe even how to make them better. Next, there's going to be a unit on paragraph unity, pi. Tell me, show me, so what, or topic sentences, supporting sentences, and concluding sentences. And again, there'll be some really useful handouts, some really great useful information, and you can refer to those throughout the rest of the summer. Finally, I have a little activity and a few useful handouts on quote sandwich, which shows you how to properly integrate quotes from the readings that we're doing into the essays, the expository essays that you're writing. I hope this all helps. This is a nice way to introduce you to the entire module. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact me. And it's really important sound foundation information that you will use not only in this class, but in real life and in other classes too. Thanks a lot. Take care. Oh, and my shirt, I got it in Thailand. It was handmade for me.